Welcome back to our channel. I am Pranab Kishore Prehraj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic that's transforming the world around us: artificial intelligence, or AI. You have probably heard people talking about AI, but have you ever wondered what it can do? In this video, we will explore how AI is used today and what it can do for us in the future. Make sure to stick around and learn how AI is impacting different areas of life. Let's start with a simple question: what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a type of computer technology that can perform tasks usually requiring human intelligence. These tasks could be things like recognizing faces, understanding language, solving problems, or even making decisions. AI is like teaching computers to learn from data and experience, so they can improve at specific tasks over time. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Let's quickly break them down. Narrow AI. This type of AI is designed to do one specific job, and it's everywhere. For example, if you've used Siri or Alexa, that's narrow AI. It can help you play a song, check the weather, or set a timer, but it doesn't understand things outside of its specific functions. General AI. This is the kind of AI we see in movies, where a computer has intelligence similar to humans. General AI would be able to perform any intellectual task just like a person. But we are not there yet. Right now, all the AI we use is narrow AI. So, where do we see AI in our daily lives? Here are a few examples where AI is already making a big difference. Smart assistants. Smart assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa can set reminders, play music, or answer questions. They learn from our interactions to give us better answers. For example, if you usually call a certain person every morning, your assistant might suggest calling them without you even asking. Recommendation systems. Have you noticed how Netflix or YouTube recommends shows and videos you might like? Or how online stores suggest products based on what you've previously looked at? That's AI in action, learning from your preferences to make recommendations. Navigation and traffic prediction. AI helps us navigate roads more easily with apps like Google Maps and Waze. These apps predict traffic conditions and can even tell you the best route to avoid jams. AI analyzes data from other drivers and traffic patterns to make these suggestions. Spam filters in email. If you use email, you know those spam filters that stop junk mail from filling your inbox. That's AI at work, learning what messages are spam based on patterns and keywords, so it can protect you from scams and clutter. AI is not only useful for everyday tasks, it's transforming entire industries. Let's look at a few sectors where AI is having a huge impact. Healthcare. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. For example, AI can look at X-rays or MRIs to detect signs of conditions like cancer. This helps doctors catch diseases early when they're easier to treat. AI is also used in creating personalized treatment plans based on a patient's specific needs. Finance. Banks and financial institutions use AI to detect fraud. By analyzing thousands of transactions, AI can spot unusual activity and alert the bank before anything serious happens. It's also used in stock trading, where AI helps to make quick decisions to buy or sell stocks. Manufacturing. In factories, AI-powered robots are used to assemble products more efficiently. These robots can work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week without getting tired, which increases productivity and lowers costs. AI is also used to predict when machines might need repairs, which helps prevent unexpected breakdowns. Education. AI is also making its way into classrooms. For instance, some AI programs help teachers by grading assignments, freeing up more time for one-on-one interactions with students. It's also used in personalized learning tools, where AI customizes lessons based on a student's strengths and weaknesses. Agriculture. In farming, AI-powered machines can monitor crop health, suggest the best time to harvest, and even help reduce the amount of water and pesticides needed. This helps farmers grow more food efficiently and sustainably. A common question people have is, how does AI learn? Great question. AI uses something called machine learning and deep learning. Let's break these down. Machine learning. Machine learning means teaching computers to learn from data. For example, if we want AI to recognize pictures of cats, we show it thousands of cat pictures. It then learns from the patterns in these images. Over time, it gets better at spotting cats in new pictures. Deep learning. Deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning. It's like creating a model of the human brain, where the computer has neural networks that process information in layers. This allows it to understand complex data, like recognizing objects in videos or understanding speech. Now, let's talk about what AI might be able to do in the future. The possibilities are fascinating. Self-driving cars. In the future, we could see AI-powered self-driving cars becoming more common. Companies like Tesla and Google are already testing these cars, and AI helps them understand their surroundings and make safe driving decisions. Smart cities. Imagine living in a city where AI helps control traffic lights to reduce congestion, saves energy by managing street lighting, and even helps with waste management. Smart cities could make urban living more efficient and environmentally friendly. Advanced healthcare. AI could revolutionize healthcare by predicting diseases before they happen. With enough data, AI might help doctors detect early signs of diseases, possibly helping people live longer, healthier lives. Personalized education. In education, AI could provide every student with a digital tutor. This AI would know exactly how each student learns best, helping them study more effectively and succeed. Climate change solutions. AI could help in the fight against climate change by analyzing vast amounts of environmental data, finding patterns, and suggesting actions to reduce pollution or conserve resources. While AI can do incredible things, it also brings some challenges and ethical concerns. Let's discuss a few. Privacy issues. AI systems often need a lot of data to work effectively. But this raises privacy concerns. For example, how much of our data is safe? Ensuring data is secure is essential to build trust with users. Job losses. AI and automation might replace some jobs, especially ones that involve repetitive tasks. However, it's also likely to create new jobs that require AI management and programming skills. Bias in AI. Since AI learns from data, it can sometimes pick up on biases in that data. This means it might make unfair decisions if the data it's trained on has certain biases. Developers must work to make AI as fair and unbiased as possible. Dependency on AI. As we rely more on AI, there's a risk we might become too dependent on it. It's important to find a balance, so we can enjoy the benefits of AI without losing our problem-solving skills. To sum up, artificial intelligence is changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. From helping doctors save lives to making it easier to find our way, AI is making a positive impact in many areas. But like any powerful tool, we need to use it responsibly. AI has enormous potential, but it's up to us to guide its development in a way that benefits everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology. Let us know in the comments what excites you the most about AI's potential. Do not forget to visit our website www.pranabkishore.com. Register yourself for doing these courses.